Welcome to Sugar Beach Resort in Mauritius, a colonial-style luxury resort on one of the island's most beautiful beaches. Today we will explore the rooms, the restaurants, the pools and everything this resort has to offer. And in the end I will let you know how much I paid and if it's worth it. The hotel is about a 45-minute drive from the airport, and thanks to the new highway, the journey is now around 15 minutes faster than it used to be. Let's head up to the lobby. The lobby features a welcoming open design with elegant colonial touches. On the left side you will find a comfortable lounge area with a tea bar, the perfect place to relax after arriving. For this stay I'm staying in a Premium Beachfront Room. The room has a spacious open design with a king-size bed in the center, although 2 queen beds are also available. In front of the bed is a large flat-screen TV, and as a welcome gift you will receive a bottle of Mauritian rum. The bathroom features a bathtub and 2 large sink areas. Soap, hand cream, tissues and shower caps are provided. Under the sink you will also find slippers. The toilet area is located in the back and is rather compact. Next to the shower you will find bathrobes, and the shower itself features a rain shower with soap, shampoo and conditioner provided. Towels are replaced whenever you prefer. The room also has 2 wardrobes. In one you will find the hairdryer, while the other contains the safe and an umbrella, which came in handy during my stay. Near the entrance there's a minibar, along with tea and coffee making facilities, a coffee machine and a kettle. And as the room name suggests, the beautiful beach is right outside the terrace. What a view to wake up to! Now let's take a morning walk around the entire resort. This is the main pool area of the hotel. The pool is huge and even has a separate shallow area for kids. One thing to be aware of: sunbeds fill up quickly. Many guests reserve them early with towels, so by around 9 in the morning it can already be difficult to find an empty one. There's also a bar at the pool, and drinks or food can be ordered directly to your sunbed or at the beach. The restaurant Buddha-Bar Beach on the right is one of the hotel's restaurants. We will take a closer look at it later. On the left side you will see the colonial manor house with its beautiful palm-lined avenue. On the right side is a large open lawn, which is often used for ball games or even weddings. Inside the manor house you also find a perfume making workshop, where a perfume expert will show you how to develop your own scent. Throughout the gardens and along the beachfront you will find colonial-style villas that house many of the higher-end rooms. And here we arrive at the second pool, also known as the quiet pool. As the name suggests, this area offers a more relaxed atmosphere and guests are asked to keep the noise levels down. It's also noticeably less crowded than the main pool. Heading back toward the lobby and the main restaurant, you will find a small lake behind the hotel. In the past, flamingos often could be seen here, but unfortunately I didn't spot any this time. To the left of the lobby you will find showers and changing rooms, which are very useful if you arrive early and have to wait for your room to be ready. Below the lobby is also the hotel's main restaurant, Le Patio. But before we take a look inside, let's continue the morning tour. The hotel offers a spa and fitness center. I didn't get the chance to use them during my stay, so I can't really comment on them. Nearby to the spa, you will also find a tennis court. Additionally, you get free green fees at Tamarina Golf Club and Île aux Cerfs Golf Club. Straight ahead is the sister hotel La Pirogue, which facilities you can also use. Here is the third restaurant of the resort, Mare Mare, where you can dine right by the beach. Unfortunately, I didn't visit it during my stay. Heading back to my room, and then let's check out the beach. The hotel offers various free water activities like windsurfing, stand-up paddle, paddle boat, aqua gym or water polo, to name some. The white sandy beach stretches for 1.5 kilometers and the water is usually calm, as the Flic and Flac area is protected by a lagoon. The water is also very shallow, especially during low tide. You can go snorkeling here and see some fish, although I have to say the underwater life felt more lively here in the past. And yes, rain showers are not uncommon in Mauritius. Now it's time for breakfast. Breakfast is served as a buffet at the main restaurant Le Patio. The buffet usually includes sausages, bacon and a variety of savory dishes such as curries, meat and fish specialties. There is also a large selection of bread. There is an omelette station where fresh omelettes are prepared exactly the way you like them. You will also find fried vegetables, noodle dishes and egg dishes. Another highlight is the crepe station, where fresh crepes and pancakes are made. There are also plenty of sweets and small cakes to choose from. In the back you will find cold cuts such as ham and salami, juices and yogurt. Moving on, you will reach the salad and cheese station. And finally there are also fruits, a lot of fruits. You can also have a freshly squeezed smoothie of fruits of your choice. Outside you will also find coffee machines where you can prepare coffee of your choice. Lunch is also served at Le Patio and prices are fairly reasonable. For example, I tried this juicy Wagyu burger and this perfectly grilled medium rare tuna steak. Lunch is also available at Buddha-Bar Beach, which is more expensive but in my opinion offers tastier dishes and faster service. Plus you get a fantastic ocean view. While waiting for your food, you can enjoy a good selection of delicious cocktails. Here are a few examples of the food. Wagyu skewers, a very juicy Wagyu steak and delicious Singapore chili prawns. Lunch and dinner are available at all three restaurants, but for dinner I usually prefer the main restaurant because of the buffet and live cooking stations. Dinner at Le Patio features a different theme every evening. For example, international, Mauritian, Indian or seafood. There are live cooking stations for meat and fish, along with a huge selection of dishes including meat, seafood and vegetarian options.
Yes.
Inside you will find a salad bar, cold seafood and meat salads, and of course an impressive dessert station. With that, we are at the end of this review. Overall, this hotel has a lot to offer. A fantastic beach, big, beautiful and well-maintained swimming pools, and fantastic, delicious food. The room was well equipped and very comfortable. I can truly recommend this hotel. Overall, I rate it a 9 out of 10. There's just one downside, it is not cheap. In total, I paid for 10 days half board in February 2026 €6,588 for the Premium Beachfront Room, which does not include drinks or lunch. Nevertheless, you can get smaller rooms with garden view for about a third of the price and still enjoy everything this hotel has to offer. But I also think the hotel is a little overpriced. And before heading to dinner, make sure to enjoy one of the beautiful sunsets right here at the beach. And if you enjoyed this hotel review, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the sunset.